Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix offline maps not loading on the AMAZFIT Balance 3. Let's go to the Maps app. And as you can see, I have the offline map unavailable, so well, I won't see it, but the first thing is that if it's not loading in this position, ensure that you have GPS signal. And if you cannot achieve a GPS signal, you may want to refer to a different video on our channel on how to fix GPS signal connection problems. But now let's try to do some other things. So let's go to our app and try to download an offline map again if it was removed for some reason, or if the downloaded one doesn't work properly. You may want to go to the map. You can see in the app there's map management, and then you can select the map that you'd like to download. You can click here to select whether you want to download the base map, contour map, and ski map. I'll unselect the ski map, and then I'll just download it. And you can try to do it via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. I think Bluetooth is more reliable, but it may take a little more time. So I would personally recommend Bluetooth and just waiting a moment longer. Yeah. You can see now it's decompressing and it's done. Okay, great, perfect. Now it should be working. If it wasn't, then you may want to delete the map and re-download it. So you'll find it here. Once you click here, you can delete it and re-download it. You may want to try to also restart your watch if the map isn't loading. If it's already downloaded and it's not loading, then press and hold on this on the back button, the one that I'm pressing with my thumb. Press and hold on it until you see this screen, and then click on restart, then approve it and wait until it restarts. After restart, if it doesn't work, you may want to, if you really need those maps to work, you may want to try to factory reset the watch, which unfortunately it is the last resort because it may delete your data. Although, fortunately, AMAZFIT gives you an option to factory reset without deleting all the data. So now when I slide down from the top of my screen twice to go to the settings, I can go all the way down to system, then go to factory reset. And now you can see you can select what to keep, even though you're factory resetting, but don't keep the map. Delete the map, just select, you can select everything else so it doesn't get deleted from your watch, then click on confirm, and then the watch will restart. It will, and you'll need to set it up again through the app, but fortunately it won't delete everything, and you'll need to set it up, download the maps again, and I think it'll work. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.